So for trapezoid proofs, I'm going to walk you through what I have happening here. So the first question I'm trying to prove it's a trapezoid. Trapezoids have one set of parallel sides. So I'm starting with the slope formula, and then I calculated the slope of 1, 2, 3, all 4 sides. Once I have 4 slopes, I'm able to say parallel lines have the same slope. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD, but BC is not parallel to DA. So I've shown one set is parallel, one set is not. That makes it a trapezoid and not a parallelogram. Then I wrap up by saying a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides parallel. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezoid. Pretty straightforward, a lot like our parallelogram proof. Next, I want to prove something is an isosceles trapezoid. So I have to not only prove it's a trapezoid, like the previous question, but also isosceles. So I'm doing the slope formula in all 4 slopes, just like the previous. And I say parallel lines have the same slope, so MI is parallel to LK, IL is not parallel to KM, just like the last proof. This is convincing me that it is a trapezoid, so same as last guy. But now to be isosceles, it has to have 2 equal sides, and so I got the distance of those legs, the non-parallels. IL and KM were both 3. Congruent segments are segments with equal measure, so IL is congruent to KM. I summarize by saying a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides parallel. So MILK, milk, is a trapezoid. An isosceles trapezoid is a trapezoid with congruent legs. That's key. It's the legs that are congruent, or the non-parallel sides. So I am looking for one of those things to make it clear that it is the non-parallels that are congruent. If the parallel sides are congruent, that's a parallelogram. So you need to make it clear it's the legs. So MILK is an isosceles trapezoid. Last but not least, we could have a right trapezoid. A right trapezoid is a trapezoid with a right angle. So once again, I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4 slopes, the 4 sides. I say parallel lines have the same slope, so AD and BC are parallel, but AB and CD are not parallel. And now I got to get that right angle. Just like in right triangle, just like in rectangle. Perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. So AB is perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular lines meet to form right angles. So angle B is a right angle. And then a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides parallel. So ABCD is a trapezoid. A right trapezoid is a trapezoid with one right angle. We showed that. Therefore, ABCD is a right trapezoid. And that's it for those proofs, a lot like our other quadrilaterals.